Hello, it's Sunday, November 30th, and I'm Tony Christopher, financial analyst at UFX Trading Support Center. This is your week in review. Today we will discuss some of the major financial events of the past week and how they impacted the currency and commodity markets. The US dollar rose to a 5-year high after OPEC kept oil output unchanged on speculation lower crude prices will support the US economy. The dollar climbed 0.8% against the yen to 118.63. The yen declined against the dollar for a fifth consecutive month, falling another 5.3% against the greenback this November. The euro also weakened versus the greenback for a fifth consecutive month. The euro's decline added to its longest streak of losses since 2010, just before the European Central Bank meets on December 4th. The Russian ruble depreciated 3.6% to 50.4085 against the dollar, an all-time low. The currency is on track for its worst month in more than 5 years. Russia stands to lose as much as $140 billion a year as a result of lower oil prices, alongside US and European sanctions, according to Russian Finance Minister Anton Siluanov. US crude tumbled 10% to its biggest one-day drop in more than 5 years on Friday, following OPEC's decision not to cut output. Energy and commodity shares sold off as Brent oil fell below $70 per barrel for the first time in more than 4 years. West Texas Intermediate, or WTI, fell 10% to $65.98 in early afternoon trading. Analysts speculate that oil prices could fall below $60 by the middle of 2015. WTI crude oil was last trading at the level of 66.15, a decrease of 10.23%. Crude oil Brent was last trading at the level of 70.15, a decrease of 3.35%. Gold also declined last week as traders prepared themselves for this weekend's gold referendum in Switzerland. The referendum will draw voters to polls to decide whether to force the country's central bank to increase gold reserves or not. The price of gold dropped to $1182.75 an ounce from $1203.75 a week earlier. And that's our summary of the financial headlines from the past week. We hope that you've enjoyed this week's review and that you'll tune in tomorrow morning as we kick off the new trading week with the latest top market news. Until then, be sure to log into UFX.com for all of your trading needs. Your personal account manager is ready to answer all of your questions. UFX Trading Support Center wishes you a successful trading week.